Every day we have small outbreaks. It is outbreaks that grow into epidemics and into a pandemic. So how do we strengthen our systems here so that we prevent, as the DG said, we prepare, we have good surveillance system, and be able to respond promptly when an outbreak occurs of pandemic potential, or when a pandemic occurs and then it's having implication for our country. And in the context of the President's Health Sector Renewal Investment Initiative, we know that there's a key pillar on health security, which is to strengthen our ability to detect spillover events if they happen here, to prepare to have good surveillance systems, but also to be ready to promptly respond based on the lessons that we have learned. And the Pandemic Fund is one instrument, it's not the only instrument. And so the dialogue here is very important in terms of our ability to bring together a coherent proposal from Nigeria to the Pandemic Fund so that we can get the resources that will enable us in a One Health way, in a cross-sectoral way, to deal with whatever it is that we may have to do to prepare to actually safeguard our own health in this country.
In these unprecedented times, our collective effort is crucial in navigating the challenges that will be associated with any future pandemic. As we all know, it is work in progress for the country to be where we should be when it comes to pandemic prevention, preparedness, and response. Learning from the last pandemic, that's COVID-19, it is evident that our country needs a robust health security infrastructure and with emphasis on prevention, disease surveillance, and preparedness and response capabilities. Our predecessors started addressing this, but this current government has not only prioritized health, but under the leadership of our Honorable Coordinating Minister, has gone further to make health security a crucial pillar of its 4-point agenda under the Nigeria Health Sector Renewal Investment Program, a priority. Today, we are gathered here with a shared commitment to foster transparency, collaboration, strategize and ensure Nigeria's application for the Pandemic Fund is effectively used in addressing our national needs.
It's time to strengthen national system. It's time to have Nigeria better prepared, and the Pandemic Fund is one of those mechanisms to make sure that Nigeria is much better prepared. We have learned a lot from COVID-19 pandemic. The doom that was predicted didn't happen here in Nigeria. We saw at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, WHO promoting what we are calling the Nigerian approach.
One of the key lessons from COVID is that no one is safe until everyone is safe. Working together is not even an option at this point. As we think of the Pandemic Fund application itself, it's also an opportunity to think about the fuller program for health security in the country.